Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'll be showing you how you can get API key. So let's get straight into it. First thing first, you need to be logged in here in the KiloCode AI app on your website. Now when you do that, you go here to your profile, and after here below you will see some dots. This is your API key. So how you can now copy this API key? Pretty simple, just hit here copy. And how to use that is go back to your Visual Studio Code. Now you are in Kilo code, as you can see. And what you can do now is go here at the top corner to these settings. Click on that, and here you will see API provider, KiloCode account, KiloCode API key, and here you can place this code which we copied earlier. Now you can also select model, which one you prefer. So you have here a bunch of options. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can get API key. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.